Hello everyone! Here I have my breast pump. It includes a milk container, a suction cup, and a handle for manual pumping. Some models are electric, but the process is very similar. You can choose whichever type works best for you, both are easy to use. First, make sure the pump and all parts are clean and dry before starting. Place the suction cup gently on your breast so it fits snugly and doesn't let air in. Hold it firmly but comfortably. Now, begin pumping, press the handle slowly to create suction. You'll start to feel the milk flow after a few gentle pumps. When it begins filling the container, continue until you collect the amount you need. As you can see, it doesn't take long. Once the container has enough milk, carefully remove it and close the lid tightly. You can pour the milk into another clean bottle or storage bag for later use. Don't forget to label it with the date before storing it in the refrigerator or freezer. I hope this video helped you learn how to express milk at home safely and easily. If you found it helpful, please subscribe and like this video. Leave your questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. Bye bye.